Today was faster. And let's share it in Telegram. Done. Okay, we can start now. Yeah, Martin, do you want to go first?
Sure. So I've been working on the implementation of the spec tests for the fork choice. I'm pretty much done. There are some little details missing, but I'll have a PR very soon. And then I guess I'm gonna create the tickets related to fork choice. That's it for me.
That's awesome. Thank you. Paul, do you want to go next?
Yeah, sure. So I've been continuing the implementation of some functions related to the block processing. So I'm continuing on implementing some of them. I'm nearly done with some of them, just the test of some of them. So I'm working on making the test pass, and then I'm gonna open some new issues related to block processing, so we can slowly finish the block processing part of the state transition.
That's cool. Yeah, let's go to Mete now.
Hi, sorry for the background noise. I'm out of town, so there's some issues. I'm done with the processor attester slashing right now, and currently writing the tests for it. And I'm actually relieved, actually.
Sorry, I'm not sure if I heard the last part correctly. Are you available for new issues? Is that what you said?
I'm actually writing the test now, so
Perfect.
I will be free afterwards. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll have something ready for then. Thank you. God's power.
Okay, so I've been working on refactoring my PR I made based on Thomas comments, Thomas comments, and yeah, I should make a PR in a bit, and I also reply to some of the comments. I need like clarifications on some of the things you mentioned. So yeah, so after that, I'll be going to hopefully, if I'm able to refactor this and this get merged, then I'll go into the issue that has to do with P2P. Yeah. So
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I will go to the PR and see the comments to clarify them. Fernando.
Yes, I keep working with the serialization part. I already add a initial pull request with the serialization of the list and some uint primitive. Right now, I am kind of struggling with a binary type because there are cases that a binary can be fixed length and other variable. So I am not sure how to make a difference between them. So I am trying to come up with a solution.
Awesome. Yeah, that's a good point. We can discuss it afterwards. Like if you need help with that, because there's a subtlety. Like Elixir calls binary almost anything from strings to raw bytes, but that's one of the places where SSZ needs a schema. So you kind of need to tell it what you are trying to convert a binary to, and it cannot just convert a binary and guess what you need it converted to. So we probably want to continue that discussion in detail then.
Okay.
Tomás, do you want to go next?
Sure. Yesterday I finished finally the integration with libp2p. I fixed some things that were blocking CI. Today the other Thomas merged it. Yeah, after that I added some minor things. For example, I added the only dependency we needed for it's an Erlang application observer as a dependency, so we can use etop in the CLI of Elixir in Jex. After that, I worked a bit on the make file for simplifying the protobuf compilation. Also fixed the flaky test I introduced in the refactor in the move to libp2p. It fails 1 out of 5 times, something like that, but it still bothers. So and after that, I added telemetry to the repo. I submitted the draft PR. For now, it's a work in progress, but because I need to ask some questions to Thomas. And that's what I'll be working today. That's what I'll be working on today.
Awesome. That sounds like a very productive day. Yeah, let me know if you need anything, but it seems like you got that under control. I will be reviewing the observability.
Mostly
PR.
Mostly, I want to know if it's the right approach, or if I should look into some other libraries I didn't know about, or things
Yeah,
like
cool. Of course, I'll let you know. I will review the PR very soon. As for me, I spent some time reviewing PRs. I reviewed God's Power PR yesterday, and I was reviewing Paul's PR on execution payload validation today. I will finish that one later. And yesterday, I was mostly working on the spec tests performance fix. I did like a very, I wouldn't say untidy, but a very like dirty implementation of a test generator that just generates the string, but it works very fast and very well. And it divides the test in according to the different runners and different configs. And I think that it might help making the tests way faster, especially when we only want to run like one specific runner. Like generating every test takes like maybe 1 second in total, or maybe less, and running one single runner like mainnet epoch processing takes like maybe 5 seconds or something like that. Like actually running the whole thing, compiling is instant. So I'm currently fixing CI so that can be actually merged, and I'm fixing the make file so that it runs these kind of things now, and a couple more things. But I will have that ready for today, and this should stop everyone from slowing down when writing or running spec tests. There's probably more improvements we can do on top of that, but for now, this is something that works very well. I completely trashed the metaprogramming approach and just like constructed bare strings and turned them into files. It's a very I don't know how to say it. Very non-sophisticated, but it works very well. So I'm all for it. Hacky is a good word. Thank you. Yeah, so that's my update. So I guess that we're finished with the updates today. Do we have any final comments or questions? Awesome. Also, like just one final clarification on my side. When I review PRs, I always go heavy on Elixir and Elixir readability. So don't take that personally. Like I reviewed a couple of PRs yesterday and the day before, and like if I send a lot of comments, don't worry about it. It's just that I want like everyone to get really hands-on with Elixir and really like understanding the idioms of the language. It will get way easier on the coming days. And also it doesn't mean anything on the code. Like code can be great and I still can put a lot of comments there. So yeah, that's just a quick clarification to everyone that was unfortunate enough to be receiving a review by me the last couple of days. But yeah, thank you all for submitting code the last couple of days. It's been really productive, and we can finish the daily for today. And thank you, and see you all tomorrow.